Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will start exercise 3D. The remaining questions of this exercise from question number 1 to 9 and 10, 11, 12 exactly same as previous questions. Few questions I explain. So here also those questions are exactly same. So one I will do and one question you have to do in your rough notebook. Then you have to copy in your fair notebook. Okay. So question number 13. Find the smallest number by which 252 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. Okay. So 252, find all the factors, prime factors. So 252 divided by 2, 2 1 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, again by 2, 2 3 ja 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6. Then 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, then 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7. Now we can write 252 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. You can see here the pair of 2 is there, pair of 3 is there, but pair of 7 is not here. So we need one more 7. So we should multiply by 7 and the square root 2 into 3 into 7, because from 2 1 2 is taken, from 3 1 3 is taken. After multiplying by 7, 1 7 will be taken. So 3 2 ja 6, 7 ja 42 is the square root. Okay. Now question number 14. Find the smallest number by which 2925 must be divided to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Okay. So in division, just opposite, we remove the extra one. In multiplication, we multiply extra one whatever left in the prime factorization. So here you can understand in easy way. Okay, 2925, it is divided by 3, 9 that 27, okay, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, again by 5, 5 6 ja 30, 5 5 ja 25, again by 5, 5 1 ja 5 3 ja 13, 1 ja 13. So 2925 we can write 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. What is extra? 13 is extra. In case of multiplication, we multiply by 13. In case of division, we will divide it by 13. And square root, then divided by 13. 13 cancel, na? So what is left? One pair of 3. So we will take 1 3. And one pair from 5, we will take 5. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So your answer is 15. I hope you understand. Now question number 15. 1 2 2 5 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as how many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. So exactly same as previous questions, we need to find the square root. Okay. So 1225 divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, again 5 5 4 ja 25, 9 ja 45, then 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7. So 1225 we can write 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. From 5 pair we can take 1 5. From 7 pair we can take 1 7. So square root of 1225 is equal to 5 into 7, that means 35. Okay. So this question from word problem, so you have to write one sentence also. So number of rows and number of plants in each row is equal to 35. This is your final answer. So I hope you understand. Now come on, question number 16. The students of a class arranged a picnic. Each student contributed as many rupees as the number of students in the class. The total contribution is rupees 1156, means 1156. Find the strength of the class. Means if in a class there are 20 students, I am giving example. Okay, I am giving an example. If in a class 20 students are there, then each student will contribute rupees 20. Okay, means each student contribute rupees 20. So now come on solution part. We need to find the square root. So 1156 by 2. So 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 2 9 ja 17 1 ja 17, 17 7 ja. Okay, then 17 1 ja 17. So 1156 we can write 2 into 2 into 17 into 17. So 1156 is equal to, from the pair of 2 we can take 2, from the pair of 17 we can take 17. So square root of 1156 is equal to 34. So strength of the class 34, and each student contribute rupees 34 itself. Okay. Question number 17 and 18 exactly same. So I will explain one question. Find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 6, 9, 15 and 20. Okay, 6, 9, 15 and 20. Come on solution part. Okay, so 6, 9, 15, 20 we need to find the LCM. So 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 9 as it is, 15 as it is, 2 1 ja 2. Again by 2, 3 as it is, 9 as it is, 15 as it is, 2 5 ja 10. Now by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 5 ja 15, 5. Again by 3, 3 1 ja, 5 5 as it is, then 5 5 5. Okay. Then LCM of 6, 9, 15, 20, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. That means you can see here the pair of this and pair of this is made, but 5 is left. So this is not perfect square. So we need 1 5. If we need 1 5, then multiply by 5. Then the least square number. Okay. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, that means 900, which is divisible by 6, 9, 15 and 20, all these numbers. Okay. So I hope you understand. Now question number 18 exactly same as question number 17, so you can do. Okay. Now question number 18 exactly as I say question number 17. Now next topic. What is next topic? Square root of a perfect square by the long division method. This method is very important. Okay. In class 9th and class 10th it is very important to find the square root of any number by using long division method. Even we can find in the decimal form, means those numbers are given not perfect square, means without perfect square given, means other than 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 like. Okay, other than, not these numbers. Like for example 10 is given and find the square root of 10, then we can find by using long division method. We can't find by using factorization method. So it is very important and it is very necessary to know. So 3E in all the questions. So let us explain few questions. Okay. Root 576. Okay. So from right side make the pair. Then what is left? 5 left. Then we need to divide the 5. Okay, we will take the number and read the number or multiplied the number itself only. कहने का मतलब राइट साइड से हम पेयर बनाएंगे और 5 में हमें टेबल रीड करना है, और अगर 1 लेंगे तो 1 टाइम्स, 2 लेंगे तो 2 टाइम्स, 3 लेंगे तो 3 टाइम्स. बट हमें ये भी ध्यान देना है कि जो भी टेबल हम रीड करेंगे वो 5 से ज़्यादा इंक्रीज नहीं होना चाहिए, अब बहुत कम भी नहीं होना चाहिए. लॉन्ग डिवीजन इसीलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर डिवीजन के जो मेथड है वो अप्लीकेबल होते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. सो जैसे 2 इंटू 2, ये देखिए 4 आया बट 5 से कम है तो ये होल्ड कर जाएगा. देन सब्ट्रैक्ट, और एक 2 यहाँ भी लिखेंगे, ऐड करेंगे, 2 + 2 4 आया. ठीक है, चलिए मैं यहाँ एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, ध्यान समझिएगा. पेयर, ओके. 2 2 × 4 माइनस कर दीजिए, 1 आया, और इन दोनों को ऐड करके यहाँ लिख दीजिए. ठीक है, ये आपने ऐड करके लिख दिया. 76, जैसे हम डिवीजन में सिंगल कैरी करते हैं ना, इसीलिए पेयर बनाते हैं, डबल नंबर कैरी करते हैं, राइट. ओके, इसके बाद इसके साइड में यहाँ पर जो भी नंबर लेंगे वो नीचे भी मल्टीप्लाई करवाएंगे. तो क्या ले लेते हैं? 4 ले लेते हैं. अब समझ में आया, सभी नंबर के लिए ऐसे ही करना है. यहाँ भी एक 4 लिख देंगे. ठीक है, 4 4 × 16 की 6, 4 4 × 16 1 17. ये लीजिए, माइनस करने पर 0 आ गया. ठीक, तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर थी, तो इजी तरीके से आ गया. सो द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 576 इज 24. गॉट इट. वन मोर क्वेश्चन. ओके, square root of 4489. Okay, make the pair. Then 6 6 is 36, 6 here. Subtract, 8 will come, carry 89, add 6 + 6 12. Then again multiplied by 7, 7 से बन जा 49 की 9, 7 2 जा 14 4, 18 8, 7 1 जा 7 1 8, 8 89, remainder 0, write 7 here also. Okay, you can see. Then the square root of 4489 is equal to 67. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, come on, next question. Okay, root 7056. ठीक है, make the pair from right side. Okay, तो divide by 8, 8 8 is 64. Write 8 here. Subtract, 6 will come. Okay, carry 56. Now add 8 + 8, 16 will come. Then we will multiply by 4. Okay, so 4 4 is 16, 4 6 is 24 and 25. Okay, 4 1 is 4 2 6, 0 will come, so 84. So square root of 7056 equal to 84. Okay, now 3 digits. I will take 2 more questions of 3 digit. 11449 means 11,449. Make the pair from right side, 49, 14 and 1 single. So 1 will divide by 1. So 1 1 is 1. Add 2 will come. Then carry 14. Okay. Now 14 we can't divide. If we will take 1 only, so 1 21 1 is 21 will come. So we can't take 1. So in this condition, okay, like division, यदि divide नहीं होता तो हम 0 यूज करते. तो we take 0 here and here, and again carry 49. Now we will take 7. 7 से बन जा 49. 7 0 0 4. 7 2 जा 14. Now 0 will come. So square root of 11,449 is equal to 107 means 107. This is your answer. One more question. Now you can understand, I think. You can do. Okay. So you need to try these 2 questions. Okay. I will come now question number 13. Question number 13. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 2509 to make it perfect square. Okay. So now take the pair from right side. 5 5 is 25. 5 will come. Then 0. What is extra? I think 9 is extra. If the double 0 is there, then you can make the perfect square, okay, by subtracting 9. So 2509 means 2509 minus 9 is equal to 2500. So we should subtract 9. Okay. Now 14 exactly same. Now come on, question number 15. Find the least number which must be added to 6203 to obtain a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square root also. Okay. Okay. So make the pair from right side. 7 7 is 49. Subtract 13 will come. Carry 03. Okay. 7 plus 7 4. Now if multiply by 8, it will come less than 1303. If multiply by 9, it will more 1343. So here we need to add, not subtract. In case of addition, okay, in case of addition, you will go up, and in case of subtraction, you will go one down. Okay, मतलब एक स्टेप पीछे रहना है और एडिशन में एक स्टेप आगे जाना है. अब यहाँ आप चेक करिए कि कितना कम है. देन 1341 माइनस 1303 means 38. If this number more by 38, then it will be a perfect square. So we should add 38. So 6203 plus 38, 6203 plus 38 is equal to 6241, and 6241, it is the perfect square number of 79. Okay, square root of 6241 is 79. Okay. Now come on the next question, question number 17. Find the least number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. So smallest number of 4 digits is 1000. Okay. So make the pair from the right side. Okay. 3 3 is 9. Subtract 1 will come. Then we will add something, because if a single number we will subtract from 1000, it will go down of 3 digit number. Okay. So we will go ahead by one step. So 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 124. So what is left? I think 24 is left. ना 24 यदि और होता यहाँ पर तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होती. So like previous question, 124 minus 100, 24 will come, and we will add 24 in 1000. So 1024 is the smallest perfect square of 3 digit number. Okay. So square root of 1024 is equal to 32. This is your final answer. I hope you understand. Okay. Now come on, next question. Question number 18. Find the greatest number of 5 digits which is a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. So greatest number of 5 digits is 99999. Now you can think practically. If a single number will be added here, okay, it will go in 6 digit. So we will reduce something if it is not perfect square. Okay. So make the pair from the right side. 2 2 1. 3 3 is 9. Now add. Now carry 99. 1 1 is 1. 61. Subtract 38 will come. Add 62 will come. Now again by 6. So here we will go one step लेस. एक स्टेप कम ही जाएंगे क्योंकि हमें कुछ ना कुछ सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं जा सकते. एडिशन में जाते इससे ज़्यादा. देन 3899 minus 3756, 143 is coming, means 143 is extra. So we will subtract from 99,999 minus 143 is equal to 99,856, which is perfect square, okay, and of 316. So square root of 99,856 equal to 316. So this is your final answer. I hope you understand. Now come on, question number 19. The area of square field is 60,025 meter square. A man cycles along its boundary at 18 km per hour. In how much time will he turn to the starting point? Okay, so first of all we need to find the side of the square, okay, then perimeter, okay, one by one I will explain. Area of square is equal to side square, then side square is equal to 60025, then side is equal to square root of 60025. Now find the square root of 60025. Whatever method I used, long division method, you will get 245. You can use your rough notebook and find the square root of 60,025. So you will get 245. Then side of square is equal to 245 meter. Then perimeter of square, we know that 4 into side. So 4 into 245 is equal to 980 meter. And time, you already know that distance upon time, okay, and distance 980 and speed 18 kilometer per hour. So 18 kilometer we need to convert into meter. So multiplied by 1000, that means 18,000 will come. ठीक है, 18 किलोमीटर को हमने किस में बदल दिया, मीटर में, 18,000 हो गया, और बाई 60 मिनट, ठीक है, 1 आवर को हमने 60 मिनट बदल दिया और 60 मिनट ऊपर चला गया, ठीक है, 2 0 कैंसिल, 2 0 कैंसिल, 6 1 जा 6 3 18, ओके, सो 98/30 इज लेफ्ट, ओके, इन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन 3 whole 8/30, okay, will come. Then 3 minute and 8/30 second, oh sorry 8/30 minute also. So minute को हमने फिर से सेकंड में बदल लिया by multiplying 60, 31 जा 32 जा 16, so 3 minute 16 second. This is your final answer, okay. So I hope you understand. So kindly go through your notebook and complete today itself till here, okay. If any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me again. The remaining 2 exercises I will explain in my next class. So complete your notebook till here. I think it is sufficient for today. So thank you. Have a nice day.